to talk about Psalms 28, verse 6 and 7. It actually says this: "Blessed be the Lord, because he has heard my voice, my cry. The Lord is my strength and my shield. My heart trusted in him, and I am helped. Therefore my heart greatly rejoices, and with my song I will praise him." What does that mean? That means to keep on praising God, for he is good. To know that he is my strength. Not money, not what other people think of me, not that job. You may fail. You know, maybe actually you have some sort of role model, an actor, or someone on TV that you wish you could be like. Those people who are even supermodels can tell you what they're not happy with in their life. Joy and strength comes from God, and knowing that he has a plan for your life. You know, I love it in Ephesians 6 where it also says, put the whole armor of God, and when you've done that, just stand. So when we say the Lord is my strength and my shield, it gives you strength to stand, but also God gives you the shield of faith to withstand any fiery darts of the enemy. You and I must realize this, that you don't see angels or demons, but every day, whatever discouragement you have, think of any negative word that starts with D-I-S. Discouragement, disruption, distraction, dissatisfied, discontentment. Here's an acronym for D-I-S. Demon-inspired suggestions. When you have these demons coming from the enemy trying to attack your mind and take the peace and joy of the Lord out of you, come back to the rock. Come back to Jesus Christ, what he said and what he promised for you. The peace of God that surpasses all understanding will guard your heart and your mind. That's what you really want. You want peace. You want rest. Put on the helmet of salvation. Put on the belt of truth. Pick up your shield of faith and the sword of the Spirit, and have the breastplate of righteousness on. And God is with you. Then you know no one can be against you, and no weapon from the enemy will prosper. You know, there are times where you just feel like you have no strength to stand. And you know that even if you told your pain to somebody, they still won't understand. I want you to know that if you put your faith in God, he will be your strength, and he will give you the faith, the shield of faith, to stop any discouragement that comes your way, for it not to paralyze you, for it not to weaken you. And today, if you feel weak and you're tired and you're exhausted, don't give up on God, because God is not going to give up on you.